Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to USB boot your Lenovo ThinkPad. In my case I have the ThinkPad Edge. So first of all, what you do, you're going to power on your PC and then you go ahead and click F12. So when you click F12, it will take you to the boot menu. So on our boot menu, as you can see, we have the USB. I've put it inside, but the USB itself, you have to go ahead and click on it and nothing happens. So this problem is caused by when the USB drives are disabled. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and restart the PC by clicking on Ctrl-Alt-Delete, or you can switch off the PC itself. So after here, you're going to click F1 to go to the BIOS system. So I'm going to power on the computer again, and I'll click F1 so that we go to the BIOS system. So when you go to the BIOS system, this will take us to this main, and we have configuration here. Then I'm going to click the arrow key to go to the configurations. So you'll see USB down here, and when you see USB, you click enter. After selecting it, you click the down arrow key. So what we have here, you go ahead and enable this option, and also you enable this option, always on USB. So I'm going to go ahead and enable everything, as you can see. So after here, I'm going to click F10 to save changes and quit. So as the computer saves changes, it's going to restart, but in that case I want you to click F12 so that you go to the boot menu. It will take you to the boot menu very fast. So when you reach the boot menu, we shall have our USB right here, and then I'm going to click the down arrow key to take us here. Then after this process, it will ask you to click any key. That means our process has been successful, and then the files will start loading from the USB drive, as you can see. So this is what we have. So you have to wait for it for a few seconds, and then it will start loading files from the USB, and then to take us to the part where we start installing the Windows itself. As you can see, the computer is trying to load our files. Then to bring you to this point, to bring you here, in my case I have Windows 8.1 going to be installed, and in your case it could be Windows 10 or any other Windows. And this is how you can boot your Lenovo ThinkPad. And so thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever we upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.